Every April, it's the same sight.
You put it right here?
Each one of those pinwheels represents children who could not defend themselves. In Kentucky, the number of child abuse cases is on the decline. That's the good news. But they still sit nearly double the national average, so there's still some work to be done.
I don't think any of us fully understands what it is that's unique about Kentucky.
Dr. Melissa Curry of Norton Children's Hospital isn't sure what makes Kentucky constantly at the top of this list, but she does have a couple ideas.
We have a fairly high rate of child poverty in Kentucky. We have a lot of domestic violence.
Curry says the declining numbers may be misleading. The new report from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services analyzes the year 2021. Though numbers were down in Kentucky, the COVID pandemic may be behind it. The people reporting cases, teachers, coaches, doctors, and so on, spent 2021 largely away from their patients, players, or students, which is what makes awareness of the signs of child abuse more important before history repeats itself.
They have the potential to keep the cycle going if they don't get that intervention in place.
Stepstone is a group that works often with children of abuse in Louisville and finding foster families for them. They say the more than 14,000 victims in Kentucky annually are likely to struggle long after the abuse.
It's going to be really hard for them to connect and trust and build those relationships if they've been traumatized by people that were supposed to take care of them.
There are ways for bystanders and parents to make a life-saving difference. We have a short list of things you should know about child abuse prevention on this story at wave3.com. In Louisville, Sean Bowdy, Wave News.